In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to change the ringtone on your Messenger app. Let's begin. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once it's open, tap on the navigation bar located in the top left corner of the screen. In the navigation menu, look for the Settings option right next to your profile name. Tap on it to proceed. Then scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Notification and Sound option and open it. Within the Notification and Sound section, locate the ringtone option and tap on it. A list of available ringtones will be displayed. Browse through the list and select the desired ringtone by tapping on it. Once you've selected the ringtone, it will be automatically saved as your new Messenger ringtone. You can now tap the back button to exit the settings and start using your new ringtone. That's it. You have successfully changed the ringtone on your Messenger app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.